Today we're talking about what do I do if my house has lead paint. So first off, let's get you some quick information. Number one, lead-based paint is in every house, most of the time, every house built before 1978. So that's a big thing for you to know. 1978, it's gonna have lead-based paint in it. So if your house has lead-based paint in it, you don't have to fret too much. You just want to take precautions if you have anyone in the home doing any sort of remodeling. So if you're just living there and everything's cool, just pay attention, right? So look around. Where your door meets the trim is a place that sometimes things rub, so that can make the lead-based paint come off, not great. Or the windows, same thing, as they're going up and down, they can rub on the areas that the window meets the trim. So that's an area that you're gonna wanna pay special attention to. Besides that, don't remodel your home. If it's built before 1978, do not remodel it without taking precautions for lead-based paint. We're talking a tiny amount. For adults, it's not as big of a deal. For children, the amount that touches your pinky can cause serious damage. So it's a really big deal. You want to take precautions. Any house before 1978's got lead-based paint in there somewhere, so be careful. As always, I really appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much for joining in, and you have a lovely week. And of course, check out our YouTube channel if you have anything you're wondering about. We probably got the information there. You take care. Bye-bye.